Hi Mia, this is Chef Tom, and this is Tucker. And Mia is 10 years old. She loves crispy walnut shrimp. And we're gonna make it for you, okay? Hope you like it. Say bye-bye. Here Mia, we have ½ pound of the shrimp. Medium-sized shrimp. That means not too big and not too small. About like this. And it has been deveined. There's a little vein in the back. They clean it out for you. That's why we call deveined the shrimp. It's already peeled, no shell. It's good, ready to cook. So I got here the shrimp, and here I have 1 beaten egg white. Beat it up. We want to soften the egg white. Has some air in the egg white. And we're gonna marinate the shrimp. We probably put like maybe 2 tablespoons in. And we mix up the shrimp. And we're gonna make the batter to fry the shrimp so they will taste really crispy. Like the one you have at the restaurant, right? Alright, so we mix it up. And then here, I got some cornstarch. Cornstarch and egg is a good binding for making batter to deep fry. So I got 3 or 4 tablespoons cornstarch. We're just gonna mix it up. You see now the cornstarch is cover up the shrimp really good. So we can fry it later to make the shrimp really crispy first. And then we're gonna make the mayo sauce to go with that. This is ready to cook. Now we're going to make the sauce. This is a good mayo. You see the teddy baby picture here? This usually sell it at the Asian grocery store. This mayo is very light, so we're gonna put some mayo in. Just enough to mix it with the cooked shrimp later. And we're gonna have a pinch of salt. And this is a special organic honey. There's lots of happy bees make this honey. Sweet. So we have a little salt and some honey and mayo, little lime juice or lemon juice to balance the flavor, like this. And sometimes people like to add a little bit fruit juice, okay too. So I mix it up nice and evenly, so everything tastes really delicious. They got honey, little salty, beautiful mayo. Look at this. And then you want to give them a try. Just use your little finger here. Yummy. Maybe I like a little more sweet, so I'm gonna add more honey in, right? Just like that, and mix it up. And we're gonna put this in the refrigerator, make it stay cold. Next, we are going to fry the shrimp. So I add some cooking oil in the frying pan. And this is just a chopstick, a wood chopstick. And I wait for the oil to turn very hot. And make sure you cook this with your family, okay? Safety first. The oil is very hot. We don't want to get burned. So you see the chopstick start to have little bubble go around the chopstick. That means the oil is getting hot. So we are ready to fry the shrimp for a few minutes. I think it's ready. And here I have a paper towel in a tray after the shrimp been fried, and we're gonna get it out and put it in the paper towel. So we're gonna put 1 shrimp first and see. Oh, that's good, huh? That's a good frying. You see they got a bubble. That's good frying. I mean your oil is good hot. We're gonna put all the shrimp in. Take about 2 minutes until they're pink. mean the shrimp is good. Oh yeah, look at this. Mom told me you love to cook, and you cook a few dishes from my YouTube cooking channel, and you like it. That's good to know. Okay, I have 4 kids, 3 boys and 1 girl. They love to cook too. So we're gonna let the shrimp fry a little bit. The shrimp are very happy. I'm gonna take a turn, stir a little bit, like this. Oh, look at that. Delicious. You can make this at home now. Almost there. I can tell it's getting crispy. We want them really crispy, and then mix it up with the mayo together. Oh, it's gonna be so delicious. Okay, I think the shrimp is done. What do you think? Okay, we take it out like this. One by one. Oh, even have a really good smell now. Look, yummy. Okay, I'm gonna show you. That's what they look like. Huh? We're gonna let the shrimp cool off for just 2 to 3 minutes, not too long. Okay? Next, I take out my special mayo, nice and cold. I keep it in the refrigerator. So we want the shrimp to be crispy and still very hot, and mix it with the really cold mayo. So they have 2 different kind of temperature when you eat. That's what make the mayo shrimp taste better. So we don't want to over mix. You know why? Because if you over mix, the shrimp not gonna taste crispy anymore. I tell you a little secret. So we have this nice healthy walnut nut. Okay, I mix it in a little bit, and I tell you what, this dish is really good with fruit. Apple, peaches, anything. Grapes, I put some grapes in, and we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna mix like 1, 2, spin the ball 3, 4, 5. That's it. Okay? And then we have a beautiful plate here, and we're gonna put it on the plate like this. Okay? Guess what? You ready to eat? Let's try. I got this piece of walnut. Very good. And here's the shrimp. Wow. Oh, so delicious. The shrimp is warm and crispy, and the sauce is cold. It really mixed good together. That is the good walnut shrimp. Now you know. The sauce is cold, the shrimp is warm. So special. Hi Mia, I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy. I forgot to say bye.